guys, I'm with Mark. This is Mark, I mean Max. And we're up in Kibari Shah area of the mountains. We're looking for a camping spot.
Oh, the Maserati.
Alright, so we've put the camp together. This is our home for the night. Let me show you around. This is the sleeping area. Nice view, look. Can't get better than that. Dog. Hey doggy. How you doing, man? So Max and I will be in here tonight. On a balcony. What you got there?
Ginger biscuits.
Biscuits. Tea. And a nice view. What's going on here, Mark?
Good question, Alex. You built it. Looks great, mate.
Alright. The brakes work. Dinner time. What you got there, Mark?
I've got taco stew.
How is it?
Very nice.
What have I got? 8 out of 10 for this one. I'll try some of that. Well, good morning. Beautiful day. My dog's hungry. Sit. Dog. Right, so we're breaking camp. There's a breakfast on the go. What do you want? You eat when we eat, Max. I eat it. Right, so I've prepared breakfast for Max and I. I'm gonna park off the balcony. Are you finished? So what do you want now? Want some of that? Look at your face.
Look, he won't know.
Just look. Look at your face, Max.